Hi everyone, in this video we will be tackling about some of the basic kitchen utensils found inside our homes.
Nutrition is essential to every human being for it helps maintain the equilibrium in our system and to function well. As a nurse, we should know the proper nutrition our patient needs. With the proper and balanced nutrition, people can prevent acquiring diseases, and also a proper nutrition is not only for preventing diseases, but it is crucial to the recovery process.
Different people could have different food requirements. As a future nurse, we should know that nutrition has an integral part of a normal functioning body. Nutrition can promote healing, can help in disease prevention, can also keep our patient healthy and give them the energy required throughout the day.
It is important to know the proper use of equipments before cooking, for it makes the cooking process easier and less time-consuming. In using the proper equipments, it is easier to measure, cut, chop, peel, stir, mix, or garnish the ingredients so that we can achieve the expected taste, texture, appearance, and consistency of the food.
We are also here to demonstrate the uses of the following utensils and provide safety precautions in the kitchen. For safety and sanitation, here are the following important tips and reminders.
In today's world, food hygiene is an absolute must. In order to keep our food safe, we should wear aprons. Aside from it can keep our clothes from getting stained or soiled by the food, it can also prevent our foods from coming into contact in whatever else is around us, such as our work clothes, the dust, the hair, the dirt, and others.
Tying of hair. If hair is not tied back or covered, it is more likely to fall into food and staff are more likely to touch their hair. This can spread bacteria to food, especially if it is unwrapped.
Disinfect surfaces. This ensures that dirt and grease are removed, as bacteria can hide behind this and discourage the sanitation process.
Okay, so hand hygiene is one of the most important elements of infection control. So keeping hands clean is one of the most important steps we can take to avoid getting sick and spreading germs to others. So let me show you the proper hand washing procedure. guys! So before I start to introduce an important kitchen utensil, I'm going to ask you a question. So, Here it is. How did the vegetables cheer on the gardener at the county fair? It's definitely... We're rooting for you. Oh my God! So, going back to what I have said earlier, I'm going to introduce to you a very important tool in the kitchen, which is this. A vegetable peeler, which is a kitchen tool, consists of a metal blade with a slot with a sharp edge attached to a handle used to remove the outer layer of some vegetables such as potatoes, broccoli stalks, and carrots, and foods such as apples and pears. So, for an important announcement, I'm going to sell this for 500 pesos. So if you're interested, just send me a private message so we can talk about it appropriately. By the way, I bought this from Milan, Italy, so it's really expensive, girl. So that's all for the video. This is Trixie encouraging you to eat veggies.
Hi friends, today I'll be introducing to you a kitchen tool called the can opener. Can opener is a electric or manual device used to open steel cans. Manual can opener has three parts. First is the handle. Second is the levers. Third is the wedges. I will also be showing you on how to use the manual can opener. In using the manual can opener, we have 3 steps. First is to open the arms of the can opener. Second is to start turning the handle when it's been secured. Third, and the last step, is to work your way around the rim of the can as you turn the handle. Thank you for listening. I hope you've learned something.
So this next utensil is one that is seen on almost every kitchen, which is a strainer. So this is an example of a strainer. I also have a smaller one here. So the term strainer is used interchangeably with sieve or colander. This kitchen device is typically made of crossed wires or a bowl with holes punched into it. So the function of this kitchen tool is to not only strain liquids away from solid matter, but also to occasionally sift fine ingredients from larger ingredients. So strainers come in different types, shapes, and sizes. Strainers with mesh screens such as these ones. So they differ in densities. They can range from fine to very coarse screens. So strainers can also be made from different materials as well, namely stainless steel, thin steel, aluminum, nylon, or cloth.
A funnel, a kitchen utensil that is used to pour liquids and small-grained ingredients from one source into another.
These mixing bowls come into varying sizes, commonly used for mixing food ingredients when preparing recipes. The smallest size bowl are commonly used for beating eggs. The large bowl are used for mixing dried ingredients, whipping cream, or salad dressings. Others use the mixing bowl as cooking pot for storage and organizing the food.
So this is a wooden spoon and it is typically used in preparing meals.
So this is a wooden spoon and it can be used in cooking and even mixing ingredients, whether it be dry or wet. They are mostly recommended especially when you are using non-stick pans because they don't quickly heat, react chemically with acidic foods or scratch pots and bowls unlike metal ones do. Wooden spoons don't also melt or leach chemicals or strange taste into hot foods as plastic does.
So number
number 1, we have a knife. So knife is a kitchen tool that consists of a fixed blade into a handle. So it is often referred as the chef or the cook's tool that is used for all types of kitchen tasks such as peeling, cutting, carving, and slicing. So for example, I have a tomato here. So you can cut this tomato po depending po dun sa desired cut ng cook. So like this one.
Spoons and cups here. So these materials, they have labels on it, kaya nga measuring. So for example, magluluto ka egg pie, kunwari, and you need 1.5 cup of evaporated milk. So, ito, meron tayong 1 cup, tsaka 1/2. So, kung tinatansya-tansya mo lang, sa pagluluto kasi, kung tinatansya-tansya mo lang, may possibility, hindi lang possibility, talaga mag-iiba yung lasa. Mag-iiba yung lasa nung niluluto mo dun sa ina-expect mo na maging lasa niya kasi tinatansya-tansya mo lang. Pero kung gumamit ka ng mga measuring cups at measuring spoons, syempre accurate yung makukuha mo. So yung expected mo na outcome dun sa niluto mo, yung lasa, yun yung magiging lasa niya. So ayun. So we also have teaspoons, tablespoons, yun. Meron pa tayong 1/4. May maliit pa lang ganito. May 1/8. So, yan lang po.
Next kitchen utensil is a large pot. This is actually an equipment that is commonly found in our homes or in our kitchen. So, large pot can be used in a variety of purposes such as cooking stew or soup, containers for leftovers, and of course, you can even use it for non-cooking equipment. In the kitchen, we can also commonly find a utility tray. So this is a plastic utility tray that can be used as a container of different utensils found in the kitchen, condiments, and even vegetables that does not require refrigeration. Utility trays may come in different forms. They can be layered, metal, or plastic.
A grater is a device having a surface covered with holes edged by slightly raised cutting edges. It is commonly used for grating cheese, orange peel, lemon peel, and soft foods. But graters can be also used for grating or shredding vegetables such as carrots, patatas, and many more. And there are a lot of different kinds of grater, but I have here the hand grater and the box grater. They basically have the same uses. The only thing that differs them are the number of holes they have and kinds of holes they have. I'll show you how to use them.
Good day everyone, I'm Francis Ira Manila. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what is important of knowing the proper use of equipment before cooking to ensure that you get the right way how to use the equipment and to avoid any accidents. A cutting board or chopping board in which to place material for cutting. The kitchen cutting board is commonly used in preparing food. Other types of existing cutting raw materials such as leather or plastic. So this is how to use chopping board. So first we're going to clean the surroundings and don't forget to perform hand washing. So now we're going to cut the banana.